The market for electric vehicles is changing dramatically as a result of creative entrepreneurs upending long-standing, legacy automakers. These new companies are using agility, state-of-the-art technology, and innovative designs to carve out a niche as customer demand for environmentally friendly transportation increases. Both startups and established manufacturers are fighting for supremacy in this competitive environment, each bringing special advantages and disadvantages to the table. In this video, we will go through 7 key points highlighting this dynamic battle between EV startups and legacy automakers. Number 7. Emergence of new energy vehicle startups. With the rise of new energy vehicle startups, the automobile industry is undergoing a radical change that is radically altering the market dynamics that have long been controlled by established automakers. These startups like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid Motors are frequently started by business people who infuse the sector with new ideas and perspectives. Without having to worry about maintaining vehicles with internal combustion engines, they can devote resources to creating innovative technology and environmentally friendly practices because they usually just concentrate on electric vehicles. They can develop quickly thanks to this concentration, launching features like cutting-edge infotainment systems, sophisticated driver assistance systems, and distinctive design aspects that appeal to a tech-savvy customer base. In contrast to the frequently bureaucratic procedures of established manufacturers, many of these startups use agile approaches in their operations, which enable speedier decision-making and product development cycles. In addition to enabling them to efficiently meet market needs, this agility promotes a culture of ongoing innovation and improvement that draws in an increasing number of environmentally conscious customers. Number 6. Market competition and consumer preferences. Consumer preferences for electric vehicles are not only a trend, rather, they reflect a fundamental shift in how people think about transportation in relation to environmental responsibility and sustainability. When making purchases, a sizable percentage of consumers, particularly millennials and Gen Z, are giving environmentally friendly alternatives more weight. Customers are looking for cars that reflect their beliefs as a result of this demographic shift, growing awareness of climate change challenges, and a need for better energy options. Government programs have further sped up this shift in nations like China by offering significant financial incentives for EV sales, increasing the accessibility and allure of electric vehicles. Legacy automakers are therefore under increasing pressure to change their approaches toward electrification, or risk becoming obsolete in a market that is changing quickly. In order to manufacture competitive electric vehicles, many are spending billions on research and development. At the same time, they are rebranding as sustainable, eco-friendly businesses. Increased marketing initiatives to inform consumers about the advantages of electric vehicles, such as cheaper operating costs, lower emissions, and cutting-edge technological innovations that improve the driving experience, are what define this competitive environment. Number 5. Technological advancements. The primary factor that sets NEV startups apart from conventional automakers is technological innovation. In addition to making automobiles, these businesses are developing complex technological ecosystems that smoothly combine software and hardware. For example, Tesla's autopilot system, which uses cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning to offer semi-autonomous driving capabilities, has set industry standards. Tesla can now continuously enhance car performance and add new features without forcing consumers to visit service centers because to its ability to do over-the-air software updates. This represents a paradigm shift in how automakers engage with their products after they are sold. Furthermore, improvements in battery technology are essential for improving EV performance. Companies are making significant research investments to create solid-state batteries, which offer greater energy density, quicker charging times, and enhanced safety over conventional lithium-ion batteries. In addition to improving the driving experience, this unrelenting focus on technical advancement raises the bar for all participants in the automobile industry, forcing established automakers to make large investments in their own research and development in order to stay up with these developments. Number 4. Regulatory pressures. Regulatory efforts to lower greenhouse gas emissions and encourage sustainable practices in all industries are having an increasing impact on the automotive sector. Governments all over the world are enforcing strict emissions laws that force manufacturers to dramatically cut their carbon footprints or risk heavy fines for failure to comply. This shift presents substantial obstacles for established manufacturers rooted in internal combustion engine technology. They must negotiate intricate regulatory environments while also creating electric substitutes that satisfy new efficiency and emissions requirements. On the other hand, many NEV firms profit from supportive legislative frameworks that include tax breaks meant to promote consumer adoption of sustainable energy and government subsidies for EV sales. New manufacturers benefit from these favorable policies, but existing manufacturers are also burdened with juggling innovation and compliance. Legacy companies are being forced by regulatory pressure to completely reevaluate their business models, which entail electrifying entire production lines and making significant investments in sustainable supply chain operations. All manufacturers hoping to succeed in the long run in a market that is becoming more environmentally sensitive will need to be able to quickly adjust as regulations continue to change on a global scale. Number 3. Sales experience advantages. Customers' interactions with brands in the automotive industry are being radically changed by the sales experience provided by NEV startups, which marks a substantial shift from conventional automotive retail procedures. In order to create a more individualized purchasing experience, where clients can communicate directly with informed reps that specialize in electric vehicles, many startups use direct-to-consumer marketing models that completely circumvent established dealership networks. Salespeople can efficiently address typical concerns like range anxiety and charging logistics, while educating buyers about the special advantages of EV technology, such as lower operating costs, less environmental impact, and novel features, thanks to this direct connection. Additionally, a lot of NEV businesses use online platforms to configure and buy vehicles, which expedite the process and appeals to tech-savvy customers who would rather connect digitally than visit a dealership in person. Legacy manufacturers, who frequently rely on a network of dealerships that might not be well equipped or qualified to handle the unique needs of EV purchasers, stand in stark contrast to this emphasis on the customer experience. Because of this, NEV companies may build better relationships with clients right away, increasing brand loyalty and promoting repeat business through satisfying interactions. Number 2. Quality and manufacturing expertise. Because of their vast experience in vehicle production, legacy automakers have crucial advantages in manufacturing quality, even in the face of NEV startups' innovative edge in technology and customer interaction. Over the years, well-established businesses have created reliable production procedures that guarantee high standards of safety, dependability, and quality control, all of which have a significant impact on consumer purchasing decisions. Because of their established ties with suppliers, they are able to obtain high-quality materials that are necessary for the production of vehicles and take advantage of economies of scale that reduce production costs without compromising quality assurance procedures. Additionally, legacy manufacturers have made significant investments in cutting-edge manufacturing technologies like automation and robotics, which improve production line precision and efficiency. These investments enable them to produce vehicles at scale while upholding strict quality standards for every model produced. Legacy automakers can use their established expertise to deliver vehicles that consistently meet or exceed consumer expectations for fit and finish and performance. While some NEV startups may initially struggle with quality issues as they scale up operations rapidly, often relying on untested supply chains. Number 1. Strategic adaptation required. Legacy automakers must undertake major strategic adjustments in a number of areas of their business operations, including reevaluating everything from corporate culture to product development procedures, in order to prosper in the face of the challenges presented by NEV startups. It is crucial to make significant investments in specialized EV platforms made for electrification, rather than modifying current ICE models. This will guarantee that new cars are optimized for performance efficiency, while satisfying customer demands for range and charging capacity. Additionally, as vehicles become more connected, it is imperative that software capabilities be improved. To achieve this, traditional manufacturers must develop technological expertise similar to that of startups by hiring talent from tech sectors or collaborating with software companies that specialize in automotive applications. This could involve partnerships with tech giants that focus on artificial intelligence or cloud computing solutions that are specifically designed for mobility services. In order for teams devoted to design, engineering, marketing, and customer service to build agile responses to market changes and customer demands more successfully than ever before, it is also critical to cultivate an innovative culture within organizations. This entails promoting cross-functional collaboration, restructuring internal procedures to prioritize quick prototype cycles, like those used by prosperous startups, would also be necessary. This agile mindset will be essential for navigating a changing environment where success depends heavily on creativity and agility. This thorough study demonstrates how NEV startups are changing the face of the automotive sector and putting pressure on established automakers to change or face becoming obsolete in a market that is changing quickly. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.